night. Bruchim Abayim, welcome everyone. Every Wednesday we try to learn a little bit from the Heilige Rebbe Elimelech from Luzhensk in the classical Hasidic volume Noam Elimelech. This week's Parshas is Chukas Bolak. In Parshas Chukas, in the book of Numbers, chapter 19, verse 2, we read with Zos. This is the Zos Chukas Torah. This is the statute of the Torah of the law. The Noam says that Tzaddik shiroitz lefolei davar. When a saint wants to accomplish something, he has to make a garment over that thing that he wants to accomplish with some Torah teaching. For Torah and the Torah, the teaching ascends above. So the Torah itself brings that thing that he wants to accomplish up before God. There's nothing in the world that cannot be enclosed in the Torah. This is the meaning of this is the statute of the law. What Elimelech means. When the Torah is stated as something that's a statute and that's engraved and doesn't have any purpose to it, so through this a person can explain and to separate and to enclose this thing that he wants to bring up to God and accomplish whatever he wants. Meaning that's how God will answer the prayers. That's what it says saying. This is the statute of the Torah saying that whatever you want to accomplish, whatever prayers you want answered, enclose that thing that you want to accomplish within a teaching, within a Torah teaching, and then you can accomplish what you want and send it up to God through that. That's the vehicle through which to send your prayers up to heaven. Kala Haven. It's easy to understand. Thank you for watching. God bless. Please like, share, and subscribe, comment, and we'll see you later.